Welcome back to Recycle and Save. Got a 1998 RM250. Really nice bike. The guy was trail riding it. Has a nice brush guard on the bottom. Stock pipe really looks pretty clean, not too banged up. There's some scuffs on the other side. You'll see when we get there. A crease. Thought it was all stock exhaust, but it looks like this is an FMF silencer on it. Looks stock. And it's a really nice bike in decent shape. If you're not aware, if you're looking for traditional forks to put on an older Arrma bike or other clean bike, the 98 Suzukis are the ones to use because they're vertical forks, but they're valved really well, better than some of the early inverted forks. So if you're trying to fool your friends that you're still running the 1985 forks on something, they're the ones to have. Doesn't know what the bottom end was last done or not. Top end he just recently did, and he went through the clutch. You can see the gasket work there. Good, solid, tight bike. Everything's pretty clean and tight on it. Yeah, like I said, there's about 2 hours on the top end, and he only runs AMSOIL synthetic. Let me see if I can get it started. It is a little bit cold here today, so I'm choking it. Hopefully the phone doesn't die while I get it going. So remember to subscribe down below to see what else we're carting out, and keep us posted. You can get a hold of us on our eBay site, or you can text me from down below, and hopefully we can save you money on parts for your bike. See if we can get this going without dropping my phone. Good, clean, solid bike. If I let it warm up, it did run good on the test ride. Like I said, it ran through the gears really good and tight. The brakes work good. Everything's straight, solid. Really good bike for the age. You can see the foot peg clamps are pretty tight in on it. Shifted well. So if you need parts for a 96 to 2000 RM, I think they were pretty much the same, except the forks, they changed a couple different years in there. Otherwise, 96 to 2000 RM250. This is a 98. And again, subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart. Thanks for watching.